Hello. So my name is Reginald Ichkuni, and today I will be talking about visualization. So before I dive deep into visualization, I would like to talk about the components of a virtual machine. So a virtual machine is a software-based computer that runs on physical hardware. So um we will talk about the components of a virtual machine. So, the first one that we have what we call the host machine. So, um, a host machine or a server uh, will be responsible for all the processing. So the things like CPU, RAM, storage and network will all be catered for by the host machine. So then we'll talk about the hypervisor. So a hypervisor is what runs between a it is what runs between uh, the, the hardware and the virtual machine. So so we have two types of hypervisors. The first one is called type 1, which is also called the bare metal. So this one runs on the physical server, not the physical server, but the hardware. So we have the for type 1 we have things like Microsoft Hyper-V or Proxmox. So we have also type 2 hypervisor, which is also called the hosted. So this one runs on an operating system. So we have things like VirtualBox. So next on the components we have the guest operating system. So when we talk about this, it's just an image of maybe Windows or Linux or Mac that will be used by the virtual machine. So next we have what we call the virtual hardware. So by virtual hardware we'll be talking about the virtual RAM, the CPU, the network cards, and also the storage. So this is what we have on the components. So next we'll talk about how I would use visualization in real business setting. So visualization increases efficiency, flexibility, and also cost saving when it comes to businesses. So it will save on office spaces and also uh, things like electricity will be saved by visualization. So we will talk about what we call server consolidation. So many organizations have multiple servers running at low capacity. With virtualization, we can run several virtual servers on a single physical machine. So we also have improved disaster recovery. So virtual machines are stored as files, so that means we can back them easily, even replicate them offsite and restore them quickly during a system failure. So we also have enhanced security through isolation. So since each virtual machine is isolated, if one gets infected with malware, it does not affect others. So testing and development environment. So in businesses that build software or upgrade system, virtualization is perfect for creating self-testing environments. A developer can clone a virtual machine, test changes, and simply delete if something goes wrong. So we can also run legacy applications. Some businesses rely on old application to run their processes. So even scaling operation is quick. Virtual machines can be deployed in minutes, so this makes businesses to scale up easily. So that's what I have for the topic of visualization. So thank you so much for watching.